If you're looking for dent repair for your vehicle that has door dings or even worse, major hail damage, you've come to the right place. We are the premier local dent repair company, and we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, and affordable. Our dent technicians have removed all kinds of dents on all kinds of vehicles, and we can get your vehicle looking like new again. In fact, when we repair a dent on your car, there's absolutely no signs that the damage ever occurred. We can work with you directly or with your insurance company, whatever you prefer. So contact us now to schedule a free, no-obligation consultation for your car's dent repair and find out why so many local clients come to us for all of their dent repair needs.